And welcome to the 1936 Chevrolet project. Today we were able to get it all together. Did the steering box, filled it with oil, preloaded it, greased all the kingpins, greased all the tie rods, made sure everything was tight. Steering is ready. Checked the clutch, looked inside the clutch housing. It seems to release. I can see the release bearing. It seems to work okay. We'll have to test it when we have the wheels on it, but it feels good to me. The big thing today was the brakes and a nice brake pedal, high and hard. Might have a tiny bit of air in it because I bled it myself, but overall it feels really good. The pedal itself here is bent a little bit because these were seized up and apparently people were trying to push really hard on them. They seem to work and they feel really good, and I got most of the air out of them, so that's good. Accelerator's connected and all that. The next thing we need to do here is we got a bad valve or two, exhaust valve or two, so we're going to be taking the cylinder head off tomorrow. And hopefully within a week or two, we'll have this car running. So stay tuned. Happy Valentine's Day.